Hi friends, this video shows how to transfer photos from camera to phone. I will also cover DSLR camera connection to mobile phone. So first, in this mobile phone, let me open Google Play Store. Then search for Canon Camera Connect. Then install this app, Canon Camera Connect. I already installed it. So let me open it. Tap on open. Tap on agree. Then again tap on agree. Then tap on skip. Then tap on let's get started. Then in this phone we need to enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So let me enable Bluetooth. Done. Let me enable Wi-Fi. Okay, done. Then on camera, press this menu button. Then select fourth tab, connectivity tab. Under fourth tab, select option 1. Under option 1, we need to select connect to smartphone. Select it. Then select add a device to connect to. Then select OK. Press this set button. Then again press this set button. Now it's searching. So please wait. Or you can tap on this register your camera button here. Tap on this button. Then select camera model. I am using EOS R50. Select it. Then tap on Bluetooth. Then tap on next. Tap on allow. Now we can see this camera name here. Tap on this camera name. Now it's pairing. Then tap on pair. Now on this camera we need to confirm the connection. Press this set or OK button. Now it's connecting. Please wait. Okay, connected. Then tap on OK. Now in this app we can see two options: import images, then shoot. Using this shoot option we can control this phone. We can control this camera. We can take photo. We can record videos. So basically we can control this camera using this app. That is this shoot option. Then import images. Using this option we can transfer photos and videos from this camera to mobile phone. So let me try that. Tap on import images. See, now it's trying to make a Wi-Fi connection. It will automatically create a Wi-Fi hotspot. We have to select that Wi-Fi hotspot and connect. You can see the Wi-Fi hotspot which this DSLR camera has created. So we have to connect this mobile phone to this Wi-Fi hotspot. Just tap on this name. It will automatically connect. We don't need to enter any password. See, connection established. Now here we are seeing images and videos from this camera. So we can open images in the camera. Just tap on the image. See. So if you want to download this image in this mobile phone, we can use this import option. Tap on import. And if you want to download image without any compression, we can tap here and unselect this option, then tap on OK. Now it's downloading original image. Okay, done. Let me go back. Then again go back. I am going to download one video which I recorded using this camera. Tap on this video file. Then tap on import. So now it's importing the video file from this camera to mobile phone. So please wait. Okay, so now I have transferred one image and one video. So let me open that image and video in this mobile phone. Go to File Manager app. Open this My Files app here. Then go to Device. Then open Pictures folder. Tap here. Then here we can see the camera name. Tap on this folder. Here we can see the downloaded image, photo and video. Let me open the image. See, you can see the size of the image. It's 6 MB. Then the video, let me play the video. See, so this way we can transfer photos and videos from camera to phone. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.